Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're well. Shall see you after the intro, and we should just get into today's little bimble. See you in a second, guys. So guys, yes, welcome back. I'm out on my own tonight. This is obviously post Wildwood weekend. It's the first time I've been out on the bike since the weekend, actually. She hasn't had a wash yet. She's still filthy from the trail ride. But it is a Tuesday evening. It is 10 to 4. And I've got an appointment to go to, so I thought what better way than to head out on the bike. Nothing special, just struggling to get content out at the minute. We have got videos lined up, we've got videos that have been edited, but I've just not released them. I don't know why. So if you are watching this video and then there's videos that have happened in the past, and I'm talking months ago, that are then going to start dropping down, I do apologise, there is no order. But I thought if I mix it up and I hold off posting videos, we're not getting the same content out as other people, or you'll have watched their video and then you'll have forgotten about it, and then you'll watch my video, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is one of the reasons why I've not really posted anything out lately. But what's today then? Today is boring. I'm heading to Tamworth. I'm just going to sit on the A5, just get there. I was meant to be there for 4 o'clock, but I can get there between 4 and 5, so it's not a major issue. The appointment's only for a penis reduction. You know, we all know people who ride Hondas have got bigger penises than people on KTMs, Kawasaki's and BMWs. No, I'm only joking. I'm actually on my way to have a hearing test. Many moons ago, whilst I was still serving, something happened, and yeah, I'm slightly deaf in my left ear. So I am I'm just going to an appointment now to have it looked at and see if there's anything that we can do about it. It's not a very interesting ride, it's just sitting on the A5 in the misty, I don't even, yeah, in the misty rain in the middle of summer, if this is summer. So post Wildwood, oh what a weekend that was. Absolutely fantastic, absolutely amazingly organised. The people are fantastic, the event is fantastic. So if you've never been before, keep your eye out on the Wildwood touring website for tickets for Wildwood 24. Met numerous new people, 2 people in particular actually. One person I've been speaking to for quite a while, Simon. It was an absolute pleasure to meet you. And what Simon does is amazing actually. He helps with a company with mental illness, something I'm very fond of actually. One of my first videos actually was regarding mental health illnesses. So Simon, take my hat off to you, mate. I love that you're trying to advertise it and what you're doing with that. Absolutely amazing. And then the second person sort of just leached onto us, shall we say. Nah, I'm only joking. Ryan, absolutely top bloke. another YouTuber actually. He goes by the name of Yorkshire Teapot. Absolutely fantastic guy, barrel of laughs, just really helped make the weekend flow amazingly. Gives banter like he receives it. I'll do. I mean, he is another croc wearing, but I can't even look past it. I can't get past the Crocs. So what's coming up lately then? Wow, not a lot at the minute. Obviously we've had a busy couple of weekends, and yeah, the wallet's definitely felt it. But we are heading to Morocco as a family holiday, the first family holiday since I think 2018 abroad. We've not been abroad since 2018, or was it 2019? I think it was 2018 actually. We went to Turkey, and yeah, that was our first ever family holiday abroad. So this year we're going to Morocco, where the temperatures are currently sitting at around 40 degrees, which is not going to be fun. The only thing I will say about this appointment is it's at a service station, which obviously the person who runs it, I imagine that he just travels around the country setting these up, mainly for veterans to get their hearing checked out. But yeah, it's at services, which I did find a little bit strange. Right, let's look for the entry. Wow, that's that done. The rain has managed to hold off for a little bit. Let's just hope it holds off till I get home. Oh well, we're back off the boring bypass, back into the slow roads. I could have gone the lanes way home, but to be honest with you, it's 10 past 5. I've been up since stupid o'clock this morning. I want to go home, I want to have my dinner, and obviously get ready, get showered and go to bed. Very good appointment actually then. My right ear is okay, left ear not so good. I did actually find out an interesting fact. So obviously when we got deployed obviously to Afghan, and then obviously when we went to Kenya and also Brunei, you have to take malaria tablets. Now obviously if you've served in the forces, or if you've ever been to probably some of these countries, you know that the malaria tablets can send you a little doolally, shall we say. Myself personally, used to give me horrendous nightmares. So you used to stop taking them. It was just what I'd rather have just caught malaria than gone through what they were doing. And I know a lot of the other lads did that as well. But I have just found out, obviously I'm not going to name the brand, but I'm sure you could do your research to find out it yourself, but it's actually poison that they were giving us. So obviously there's going to be a lot of digging to be done on this, because they're going to have to find out what medical records, go into our medical records and stuff like that there to find out the actual prescribed malaria tablets were. Sorry, I'll rephrase that. What the prescribed malaria tablets were. Now, if it turns out it was this specific type, it'll be a very nice bit of compensation. Not that obviously I want to brag or anything like that there. We put our bodies through hell, shall we say, physically, mentally, and obviously they were making us take these tablets to try and help you. I understand why the tablets were there, but yeah, I've just found out today that potentially could be poison that I was taking, hence why we had like night terrors, people hallucinating on them. There was a lot of side effects. The biggest two, obviously, night terrors and hallucinations. Now everybody's different and everybody reacts different, which is why they're going to look into it. But mainly just wanted to talk about obviously the videos that will be coming out in the next couple of weeks or months, or whenever I feel like I want to release them. I might even wait till the winter. Can't actually wait to meet up with the guys again. Lake V this year, I'm not sure what we're doing about Lake V at the minute. Craig put a status out the other day saying I think there's only 15 pitches left. I can't get the Friday off of work, so unfortunately I won't be doing the Friday ride. I'm going over there on the Friday and stuff like that, blah 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 blah. We did want to use that as a experiment, shall we say, with taking Cameron camping on the bike with us. Obviously Cameron's been camping hundreds of times with us in the car, in the big family tent where he's got the luxuries. Obviously camping on a motorcycle is completely different, so we're not 100% sure yet what we're doing. It might even be a case of that we decide to get up early on the Saturday morning and go and meet the lads and everyone and do the ride out, or ride to the campsite and see everybody just to say hello and then ride back as a day out. And just lastly, I would just like to thank each and every single one of you. We hit another milestone the other day, 375 subscribers on the channel. Absolutely amazing, thank you so much. The next milestone is 400, so please like, share, comment, and let's try and get us to 400 subs. Well, I've said it from day one, I never thought the channel would get 100 subscribers, but we are what, less than well, I think the last time I checked I was at 381 or 382. Being less than 20 subscribers from 400 is amazing. So I just want to personally thank you from myself and Kaylee. Massive thank you to each and every single one of you. So guys, nothing majorly interesting, just that I'm as deaf as a bat, but it's content and it's getting it out there, and plus I got to ride the bike, so I'm happy. I'm happy, feeling down, I got sunshine. Yes guys, right then, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you stay safe, and I hope to see you out there. Shall catch you in the next one.